Tonight I feel ambitious and so does my foot. As it sinks on the pedal, I press it to the floor. I don't need a girl, don't need a friend, 'cause my friend Lonesome's unconditional. We're flying forever bored. For a moment I love everything that I see and think and feel. I love my broken side view mirror, 'cause it's so perfect, I'm so perfect, you're so perfect, you're not here. I hear the changing gears, my pile shakes as I hit 80 on the open road. This is an open road song. The night is beckoning, although I have nowhere to go but home. Feels good to be alone. With every turn comes a new frame of mind. If I could frame my mind, where would it hang? My pile shakes as I hit 80 on the open road. My pile shakes as I hit 80 on the open road. My pile shakes as I hit 80 on the open road. This is an open road song. I crack a window and feel the cool air cleanse my every pore as I pour my poor heart out to a radio song that's patient and willing to listen. My volume drowns it out. Yeah, but that's okay, 'cause I sound better than him anyway, any day. Yeah, my voice is sweet as salt. I search for comfort and I find it where I found it many times before. Times before can be forgotten. Yeah, my pile shakes as I hit 80 on the open road. My pile shakes as I hit 80 on the open road. My pile shakes as I hit 80 on the open road. This is an open road song.
It could be time, but then again I can't remember half an hour since I go to the boat. Throw all your clothes a second side, it's up for us
forgotten what the color of her eyes were, and her scars or how she got them. As the telling signs of age rain down, a single tear is dropping through the valleys of an aging face that this world has forgotten.